Get pole, nigga. Act like you wanna do something. She right on the dick, I just told you. You done that bitch like a cucumber. These hoes ain't getting my new number. In the factory, at least be pushing it with my Dior.
Alright, what's going on YouTube? It's 205D coming to out with another video. This time it's gonna be a reaction on NoCap Yacht Party. Man, I've been waiting on this man to drop this damn album, bro. This man keep pushing his whole back. But I already know this finna be fast, finna be like, I'm finna probably have to pause the video a lot, but we finna see what this time about. I think this one of his I think it was unreleased and then he put it on the album. That's what I think this is. But we finna see. Alright, let's get into it.
I'm deep in traffic, I know damn well I shouldn't be. Don't need your love and I never needed company. Before you hear me call, I drown in my tears. Cause I lose all my signal when I'm deep in Nolensville. I don't need nobody, phone on co-pilot. Hope these voices in my head go quiet. I fuck the wide winds, understand your chances is blue. Every time I touch a beat, it should be left with a bruise. Aiming for the stars, sometimes I...
Hold on, let me see what he said right now.
I fuck the wide winds, understand your chances is blue.
Y'all ain't peeped that. Do it one more time so y'all catch that bit.
In my head go quiet. I fuck the wide winds, understand your chances is blue. Every time I touch a beat, it should be left with a bruise. Aiming for the stars, sometimes I hold my breath before I shoot. I feel my heart in all the places that it shouldn't be. That it shouldn't be. That it shouldn't be. Shouldn't be.
Yeah, they be one of his unreleased songs that he like put on the album. Cause I think he previewed this one time, but I ain't heard the whole thing though. So
that it shouldn't be. 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 I wish I could leave my problems inside the heart of the ocean. I'm afraid I might find them floating on a yacht party in Miami. I wish I could leave my problems inside the heart of the ocean. I'm afraid I might find them floating on a yacht party in Miami. My wheels run down the interstate. The rain come from miles away. The same lies got me low on trust. Just one dose, just so I can feel love. Just one dose. Just one dose.
Not smoking the weed, laying flat on your back. That boy stressing. It ain't funny. It ain't funny. That boy stressing though, boy.
Just one dose. Just one dose.
Why she
just
crying?
One dose. Through the coffee smoke in the wooden floors. 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 I put up in the demon and I left in the ghost. It gets so in this place I call home. Cut my wrists and paint the walls. Cause no one. I put up in the demon and I left in the ghost. It gets so evil in this place I call home. Cut my wrists and paint the walls. Cause no one hear me when I
don't know about
talk.
cutting the wrist. I don't know about that one.
I'm deep in traffic, I know damn well I shouldn't be. Don't need your love and I never needed company. Before you hear me call, I drown in my tears. Cause I lose all my signal when I'm deep in Nolensville. I don't need nobody, phone on co-pilot. Hope these voices in my head go quiet.
Can somebody please tell me where the fuck is Odensville at? What is that? I don't know. I'm gonna look this shit up. I'm finna look this shit up right now, actually. Okay. I don't know what this place he's talking about, but it say Odensville, Alabama. I done heard of this place before now I think about it. What the fuck is it next to? I don't got time. I'm going on Apple Maps. That bitch look like a small town though. Oh yeah, that bitch say. Oh wait, hold on, wait. The population was up to 35,000. Yeah, it ain't nothing over there. I was. What can I really say this next to? It's between Moody, Alabama and Springville, Alabama. Y'all probably not gonna know what the fuck that is. But anyway, I see why you lose signal, nigga. You in the country.
I could leave my problems inside the heart of the ocean. I'm afraid I might find them floating on a yacht party in Miami. I wish I could leave my problems inside the heart of the ocean. I'm afraid I might find them floating on a yacht party in Miami.
Alright, y'all, that's the end of the video. I ain't heard the whole song, but like I heard them preview it, I think. Or it might have been I don't think it was unreleased, but like you know how you know, go on live and record like playing new music and previewing and stuff. I think that's where I heard this at. Like part of it, but I mean shit, it's NoCap, you feel me? It's a little different. He kind of lost me with that cut my wrist part though. I mean, I know some people do that. It's unfortunate, but you know, it's no cap song. You feel me? So I'm still gonna say that shit was fire. It was different though, a little different, but yeah. But yeah, we know why you lose sitting in Odensville, bro. Ain't too many people out there. But y'all go comment, like, subscribe, all that good stuff. Like the video too if you like the video, if you fucking with the video. And y'all let me know what y'all want me to react to next. Appreciate y'all. It's 12:05. I'm at this bit.
Nah, Shanice, Crystal, you need India, I read.